So I wanted to talk real briefly. I wanted to talk real briefly about the Neolithic Revolution. Did you get a chance to watch that Flintstones video? I think it's interesting to go back in your imagination to think about what Homo sapiens were like as early hominids before we had language. We know that when farming was discovered, when people realized they could put seed into the ground and fertilize it and water it, that they could grow food and have a dependable source of food. So they began to be able to stay in the same place and grow larger civilizations. But think about the thousands and thousands of years that early hominids were on the earth surviving as hunter gatherers. It's interesting to me the way that Flintstone video shows these modern people with the Stone Age. And I think that show is funny because it's so hard for us to imagine what life was like before we had civilization, before we had language. We were different in a sense. Uh, there's a sense in which written language and spoken language is a sign of being conscious. I think about my dog May, how she doesn't worry about death. She doesn't think about the future. She doesn't have any anxiety other than her generalized anxiety in the moment. You know, when was it that we became aware of ourselves? At some point, we did so, and we learned um, to have a memory, to make promises. I want you to just reflect on the Neolithic Revolution, the development of human beings, and this was really just a test run to see. I just want you to add some kind of note in the discussion board that you saw this and that you're thinking about it. Thank you very much.